This soap is such a lovely soap. It comes out so creamy and nice. Honey heats up soap, especially during the gel phase. So I soaked at a really low temperature. My lye was at 72 degrees and it worked perfectly. The oils are warm enough to let the honey completely dissolve in the oils. Adding in my salt water and then my lye. I prefer making my lye a few days before making the soap. Adding in my orange essential oils. Citrus oils like orange don't stay in the soap scent-wise for very long after curing, but it does give it a very beautiful undertone, and that's what I was looking for. Because I'm soaping at a very low temperature, it's going to take a while for the soap to come to trace. So in order not to burn out my blender, I am going to blend it for a while, hand mix, and then leave it alone for a little bit to thicken up on its own. Now that it's thickened up, I can put in my additives, black soap with Kaolin clay, so that way it suspends in the batter and not sink to the bottom. Time to pour. The texture is so beautiful, velvety. I'm spraying 99% alcohol on top to avoid ash on top of the soap. There's nothing wrong with ash. It's just aesthetically, it looks better. Sometimes ash can really add to the look of the soap, make it very rustic, which I find beautiful, depending on the soap I'm making. All right, let's see what's in here, how it looks. I usually cut my soaps at 18 hours, but I cut this one at 24 because it's so moist because of the black soap. Black soap draws in a lot of moisture,